Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and tap on the About phone at the top of the list. First of all, we have to keep tapping on the MIUI version, which may be quite confusing. As you can see, we've got this information that we are in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about it, I highly recommend to simply check the video about the developer options in this Redmi Note 12S. I've just recorded it, so you will learn more. Alright, after activating, we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Scroll down again, tap on the developer options, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, we have to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device. However, you have to remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want. Alright, that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.